Is there anybody in this place that will stand as a witness and declare that I declare worship in my life? I'll walk according to the word that I read. I'll speak according to the life that I want to live. I declare worship in the way that I treat people. I declare worship in the way that I smile at you. I declare worship in the way that I show up to work on time. I declare worship in the way that I trust my parents, in the way that I try to obey my parents. I trust God and I worship God through the way I continue to move in school and try to pass my test and exam and try to become something and try to make something out of my life. I'm declaring worship in this place because God did not create me for anything less than worship. I'm declaring worship in this place because God created me from the dust of the earth to become something marvelous in the earth, to bless somebody else in the earth, to give their life to the Lord. Hallelujah. My assignment tonight is to ignite, and I declare worship atmosphere, and I declare worship state of mind that will allow us to walk out of this place with victory on our hearts, with victory in our minds, declaring that I am and I will because He is. Hallelujah. See, because it took an I declare worship state of mind to Daniel to choose from the beginning that he wasn't going to defile himself with the king's meat or wine. Who else but a soldier of the king can decide from the beginning of a thing that no matter how scary it gets, I will not submit to pressure. It took an I declare worship way of life for Daniel to hear about this law against praying to a God and praying to the king and still bow before the Father 3 times a day, just like he did by normal. That's just like he did normally. God is calling us to consistency in Him. If we say we're about it, God is saying be about it. He continues to pray 3 times a day with this window open, saying there'll be nothing in between me and God. Even though the decree said I can't pray to my God and ask Him for anything, but I can do what I always know how to do because I'm a worshiper. I just thank Him because of who He is. I thank Him for this trial and this situation. And the enemy feels like he has me. The enemy feels like he has me because he signed his decree, but he doesn't know my relationship. He doesn't know my relationship. So tonight, after everything that I've been through, I will declare worship. God bless you.